Hey everyone, welcome to GADGETMIX. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and quick review of my Rolex Oyster Perpetual DateJust 41. So I really wanted to have a Rolex, and the only way, according to my AD, was to get was something that is 1 or 2 years old. So this is not a brand new watch, just like 1 or 2 years old, and it's a yellow gold model, and it has the Oyster bracelet. So I got the one with the fluted bezels. Because I really like it. The box is premium, looks premium, but it's not like the Omega experience. The Omega box is so much more premium, even though the Aquaterra, which is the direct competitor to this, costs like one third or half of what this actually costed me. But Rolex is Rolex and Omega is Omega. Omega makes, I think they make better watches, but Rolex has higher brand value. This is a yellow gold model, and dual tone finish with dual tone finish. Automatic, has date Cyclops window. It is waterproof to 100 meters, which is 330 feet if you don't understand meters. It comes with the 3235 caliber, which is in-house made by Rolex. It gives you 70 hours power reserve. It's self-binding, bidirectional. It works like a charm. Even though it looks like a dress watch, very dressy watch, it's very rugged as well. In fact, Rolex says that you can even take it on a beach. The Rolex DateJust 41 or 36, it's an iconic watch. If you value comfort and style, this is the watch to go for. I mean, you can identify this watch from 10 meters away. Even though you go for the smaller 36mm model, you'll be able to make out that yes, this is a Rolex DateJust. It's a perfect for those who value precision, style, comfort. This legendary icon has been spotted on the wrists of famous celebrities, personalities since it was unveiled. I don't know, maybe back in 1960s, and you won't believe that even the models from 1950s and 60s, they look very much similar to this very model. Um, Especially the one with the fluted bezel, like the one which you see in the video. Um, if you're dreaming of owning it, it's tough. You will have to pay a premium, and if you go to a Rolex store, they will straight away say, "Hey, we don't have it in stock." And that's the worst part about it. I too had to pay a premium, even though I bought a refurbished model. I had to pay a premium because the guy who used to own it just didn't want to sell it for loss. He actually made money even on a 2 or 3 year old watch. So if you dream of owning it, be ready to pay a premium. That's what I don't like about the Rolex models. And in this very regard, I totally feel that going for an Omega Aquaterra, it makes more sense. Um, even the Omega Constellation watches, they're value for money. But Aquaterra models are the best. If you are into you know sports models, go for the Omega Seamaster 300M or 300. Those are the models to go for. And if you do a lot of diving, or you like wearing heavy watches, go for the Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean. As you can see, this is a very slim watch. It also comes in diamonds, but I went with this one as I thought this is also super blingy. It has real gold. Rolex has used real gold. I think 18 karat. I really wish the back was transparent like the Omega. Aquaterra has a transparent back, and the Rolex doesn't like using transparent backs. It would have been really nice to see that amazing 3235 caliber in action. I mean, if you have it, why not show it, right? I love the fluted bezel designs. They are cut at amazing angles, and they reflect light very nicely. It gives it a very unique look that competitors of Rolex really have not been able to copy this fluted bezel thing. It has really been perfected by the people at Rolex. Now let's talk about bracelets. You can order the DateJust with two bracelets. Sportier Oyster 3-link bracelet or the more elaborate dressier 5-link Jubilee bracelet. I got the one with the Oyster 3-link bracelet. Irrespective of the one you get, both are fitted with folding Oyster clasp and its EasyLink 5mm rapid DIY extension link. You can easily do little adjustments to reduce the length of the bracelet or increase the length of the bracelet. The unboxing experience leaves a lot to be desired, honestly. You don't find as many goodies as you find in the Omega box. You get this watch, and there is a little opening which I will show you later in the video, which reveals a place where warranty card and the user manuals are kept. Like the Omega CMAS Rack Quaterra, this Rolex DateJust 41, this is a solid candidate for the title of best luxury daily beater watch. You can wear it with a t-shirt, you can wear it with a suit, and it will look equally good, even though I feel it will look a little bit better if you wear formal clothes. This Rolex is a strong option.
Oh, by the way,
those kind of people, those men who just want one watch that will look good and perform well in any context.
Warranty card and user manual. So you do get
warranty card,
looks luxurious, feels luxurious.
User manual. You can download user manual from the Rolex website as well, and use it on your phone or tablet.
Nice booklet.
So this is a watch
Perpetual
which has a star appeal, and it is in the same leagues as
if you want this in e-book format or
over the
PDF
years,
format,
it has become the blueprint of the sporty,
Perpetual
elegant
or this DateJust page
watch.
on this DateJust
is the model
page on the Rolex website. You can find the manual there as well.
If you to go for, if you're going for your first Rolex or your first luxury watch, if you really want a Rolex. So that's all about it. Hope you like my video of this Rolex DateJust 41. Stay subscribed for more watch reviews and technology reviews like these. Bye bye.